Easter Sunday. The ham is glistening, the family is circling, and all eyes are secretly fixed on one thing: the classic carrot cake with cream cheese frosting. It's the dessert that contains a vegetable, yet somehow convinces you that seconds are practically a public service. Let's make magic. Start with the eggs, whisk them until they're frothy and golden like liquid sunshine. Now, the carrots. Grate them yourself. Pre-shredded carrots are the culinary equivalent of a sad handshake. Fresh carrots release steam as they bake, keeping everything tender. Toss them in with pecans and raisins, because this cake believes in abundance. Back in the 1970s, carrot cake was the darling of health food bakeries. Hippies loved it, grandmas loved it, virtuous and decadent all at once. Now your dry things, flour, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, whisk them until they're best friends. Here comes the oil. During World War II, when butter was rare, clever bakers discovered oil-made cakes sing. The science? Oil slips between flour proteins like a diplomat, preventing tough gluten strands. Translation? Your cake will be so moist it could apologize for being this good. Pour it in with your sugars and vanilla, stirring until they just vanish. Overmix, and you're making hockey equipment. We're making cake. Fold in that glorious mountain of carrots, pecans, and raisins. Pour into 2 prepared pans. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until the alchemy is complete. While the cakes cool, patience is not optional, make the frosting. Beat cream cheese until it's smoother than a jazz saxophone. Add powdered sugar and a whisper of cornstarch for stability. Then pour in cold, heavy cream and whip until it's light, airy, and posing for a portrait. Assembly. 1 cooled layer, a swoop of frosting. 2nd layer on top. Now frost the sides too, a full embrace of tangy velvet. Then, the pièce de résistance, a perfect circle of chopped pecans on top, like a crown for a dessert that deserves a throne. Look at that! Tender crumb, warm cinnamon, sweet raisins, nutty pecans. And that frosting, tangy, creamy, utterly unapologetic. Each bite tastes like someone loved you enough to grate carrots by hand. Serve it for Easter, for birthdays, or for no reason at all, because joy doesn't need an invitation. This is Food Illustrated, and as always, enjoy the process of illustration on your plate.